Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre in Wrexham. My name's Reese and today I'll be showing you this BMW 1 Series 2 litre 118D M Sport finished in metallic white. Now after this video, if you require any further information on this vehicle or would like to request a free finance quote, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01978 340 606 and one of our sales team will be more than happy to help. Now the first thing that I'd like to show you on this vehicle is that it does come with LED daytime running lights as well as LED main lights, as you can see there, and these do a fantastic job of illuminating the road in all weather conditions. And this vehicle does also sit on M Sport suspension, which not only gives you a comfortable drive, it does make the car look a lot more sporty. And this vehicle does also come with 18-inch M Sport double spoke alloys, which again adds to the overall sporty look of this vehicle. And it does complement the metallic white paint finish very nicely. And taking a look at the back space of this vehicle, you can see that it does come with a 3-seater bench, and the bench is finished in an Alcantara upholstery. And it also has ample storage in the back of the 2 front seats, as well as in the centre as well. And taking a look at the rear of this vehicle, you can see that it does come with a single exhaust, and if you lift up the BMW logo, that is the handle for the boot space. And as you can see, even though this vehicle is a nimble hatchback, it does come with ample storage in this boot space, along with additional storage in the sides, and a lower parcel shelf here where the battery pack is located. And as you can see, the exterior condition of this vehicle is very good, as is the interior condition, as you can tell from the 2 bucket seats that are located in the front of the vehicle. They are in immaculate condition. Now that does conclude our 360 walk around of the exterior and the interior condition. Now we'll make our way inside of the vehicle and take a look at some of the features. Now the first feature on this vehicle that I would like to show you are the power adjustable wing mirrors, where the controls are located on the driver's door. And the next feature that I would like to show you is the 3-spoke leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel that this vehicle does come with. And it does allow you to access your media functions without taking your hands off the wheel whilst you're driving. And taking a look at the media system in this vehicle, it does come with a 6.5-inch colour display, and this does allow you access to your multimedia functions, such as your CD and your external devices, but also allows you access to your radio systems, which does include DAB, FM and AM radio. And you are also allowed to access Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile device, which does allow you to access your contacts on your mobile phone. And it also comes with navigation as well, which as you can see is very clearly displayed on this 6.5-inch touchscreen. And this media system does also allow you to access information on the vehicle, such as the vehicle's status. And as you can see, this vehicle does also come with electronically controlled air conditioning, which does a fantastic job of keeping you comfortable whilst on the move. And this centre console does also come with ample storage, as well as this vehicle coming in a 6-speed manual transmission. And as you can see, also located in the centre console is the Joy-Con for the media system, as well as additional storage under the armrest that is located there as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any further information on this vehicle or wish to make any inquiries, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01978 340 606 and a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help. Thank you.